Time now for First Alert Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
All right, our radar pictures got some activity on it early this morning. I see some light sprinkles to the east of I-75 into parts of South Georgia. We're talking like from Valdosta to Adel and east. Not a whole lot of rain, but something there. A couple of sprinkles across parts of coastal Taylor County. Got some moisture lingering about a bunch of other areas, but if you're looking for the best chances to see some real rain, that's going to be for parts of Franklin County, Gulf and Bay counties, up through parts of Liberty and Calhoun. Those showers will move in a little bit north. They'll try to drift a little bit more east, and I think down around Dixie County, we can get some showers here too in the short term. But everybody with a real shot to see some of this activity finding where you are later this morning and this afternoon. So it's a good day to have that wet weather gear handy. Expect to get wet. There'll be lots of breaks when it's not raining, but there'll also be some periods where it's kind of soggy out there, and we could find some decent downpours mixed in with all these showers. So just be ready for it. Maybe give yourself a little extra time to get to your destinations this morning. Always take it nice and slow on some wet roads. It's 76 in Valdosta, it's 72 in Thomasville, it's 77 in Tallahassee. Those dew point numbers way up in the 70s. There's a whole different feel out there today compared to the previous few days when we had that drier air. It's gone, and now we've got the more humid air back, and that's going to keep these temperatures from moving all that much. 75 at Quincy, 74 at Bainbridge. Blakely is the coolest spot at 64. It's still a little cooler up in Dothan, Alabama, where it's 67. A little warmer at Apalachicola at 78 degrees this morning. Let's talk about that breeze. Today, more from the east and southeast. I think it will be noticeable, maybe a little breezy at times, but nothing that we're going to call windy. No visibility concerns out there. I think with some showers, there can be some fog in spots. Places like Apalachicola, the visibility is reduced a little bit, but that's because we got some rain coming down. Now, you see a little back edge to all of this. Would be great if this back edge, this boundary, could just zip through the area after one day and we bring back some of that clearer, drier, and brighter. But it doesn't look like it's going to be the case. This boundary is going to take its sweet time sagging south, maybe 2-3 days. So from now until then, we stay bottled up in this warm, humid, unstable air, and that means we get those constant threats for showers. And it doesn't mean it rains all the time. There'll be lots of hours each day where there's no rain. But I also think there'll be some periods where you get some decent downpours, maybe some thunderstorms, and some pockets where the rain can be kind of heavy. So the threat for showers is going to be there, and I think plenty of showers, especially as we go through our day today and through our evening tonight. Futurecast on a little wider version shows we get through some of the showers this morning and early this afternoon. We get to tomorrow, I think we get a little break in the morning, but some more showers in the afternoon. And then as we get to Thursday, see how those yellow arrows start pointing in from the north? So maybe we can start to bring back a little bit of that drier air, hopefully during the day Thursday, so we can improve the forecast a little bit sooner. We'll watch, we'll see how it all plays out. But the bottom line here is, at least through today and tomorrow, showers are going to be a pretty safe bet. On again, off again. Let's talk Tropical Storm Philippe. A little change in the expected forecast path with this one. Maybe not as far north, but also fizzling out over the next 5 to 7 days. So plenty to watch with it. It doesn't look all that impressive. As a matter of fact, this is what it looks like on the satellite imagery. Not a whole lot going on right there, but we'll see how it can hold itself together over the next couple of days. A little further behind it is that next energy that is trying to get itself organized, and it's up to a 90% chance over the next 7 days to become the next system. Rena, by the way, is the next name on the list. Now, that energy that was over the Gulf yesterday that may or may not have formed, it's fizzled out, no longer a potential anything. But we've got that tropical moisture moving north, and what that's going to do is help to enhance our chances to get wet. Now, on the Gulf today, breezy at times, winds out of the southeast and south, and yeah, there's going to be some showers and storms out there. I've got about a 60% chance early, best down towards the coast, up to an 80% chance this afternoon. Most of our temperatures aren't going to climb out of the lower and mid 80s. Tonight, still with some showers. They'll taper off. It stays cloudy. It stays muggy. It stays unsettled. And I think that's the story, at least through tomorrow. I'm starting to get a little better feeling that Thursday might start to improve. Right now, though, let's hold off the improvement till Friday.